Assalamu alaikum, welcome and karibuni to our Zanzibar's kitchen, and welcome to our Ramadan edition. And today we are making chicken karahi, and in my karahi I've got some oil there. You can use between a quarter cup to half a cup of oil. Heat it up on medium high, and then I added the chicken pieces. Now, this chicken has not been seasoned or marinated with anything. It's plain chicken. This recipe is very, very simple. It's got no spices at all. All right? Very, very minimal. And I added some salt. You can use black pepper as well at this point. Now, chicken karahi is served in India and Pakistan as well. And the ingredients are similar, but the techniques are a little bit different. So I'm going to fry the chicken. You can add some color to it. Let it brown a little bit if you want, or you can leave it the way I did. So I fried for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I added the tomatoes. Now, this recipe is a street food recipe, but it's been elevated by a few of my favorite chefs. So I've taken a little bit from everybody and created my own. So here are the tomatoes. You can slice them if you want, but we need to take out the skin. So I covered it and cooked it on medium heat for about 5 minutes, and it's easy to remove the skin. Once I remove the skin, before I mashed the tomatoes, I went ahead and reduced the oil. Okay, if you want to, you can do it. Now this oil is mixed with the chicken juices, because the chicken releases a lot of juices. So I am taking out some of the flavors, but I did want to reduce some of the oil. Okay, now then I went ahead and started smashing the tomatoes to get that nice thick sauce for the curry. Okay, then I added fresh ginger and garlic paste, about 1.5 tablespoons. Now, traditional way, there is no ginger and garlic paste. It's just tomato, salt, and black pepper. That's about it. I have tried it. I liked it, but I also wanted to elevate my dish. That's why I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. And then some green chilies. And then I covered it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the chicken is cooked nice and tender. Now, in the meantime, I'm preparing the spices, which are totally optional. So it's peppercorns, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. Now the chicken is ready, actually. And now this is another additional part, is the onions, the bell peppers, and the tomatoes. Now this is just going to cook for about 2 minutes, because we just want them to be cooked, but not to be soft. Okay, you want to see and feel these vegetables. Okay, this is totally optional. All right, and then I went ahead and added the spices, which were coarsely grounded, not into powder, just a little bit, just like that. And that's it. This is very simple, and you can serve this with your rice and chapatis, rotis, naan, mkate wa ufuta, whatever you want. Okay, so it's very simple and very delicious, and I thought you guys might like it, especially this month of Ramadan. Something different, something quick. And now we're ready to serve in our karahi. And this is served with ginger strips, very thinly sliced, or julienne as we say. Thank you so much for watching. For more recipes, please visit me at Aroma of Zanzibar. You will find all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. I wish you all a wonderful day, and I wish you all a blessed Ramadan. Bye-bye.